Hey YouTube, what's going on? This is my home village.
See this four-way thing? That's the middle of the village.
That's about it.
And that's the end of the village. And that's the other end of the village. See how small it is? Yeah.
Yeah, once again, our eyebrows. I woke up and my eyebrow was glued to my finger, and she did it.
She did it first.
You did it first.
You did it first.
Call it even. Just kidding. Okay.
Oh, I look really white right now.
You are really white right now.
No, I'm not.
We're selling tickets right now. In that little bag.
Pretty
There's
carrying case.
$50 in there. Whoa. What is it?
That's money and tickets.
And we also have to hand out flyers. So yeah. We're gonna go sell tickets now.
At my house.
At her house. And then we're gonna go to someone else's house.
Wait, when is the drop?
You guys sell tickets, right? It's on the 2nd. And today is the 30th of June.
How come I don't get anybody? I'm selling tickets with you. Hey girl.
And that's her dog. That's a trampoline we jump on all the time. Ew, looks really freaky on here. Oh, I just stepped on crap.
Nice.
She's a big Rottweiler. She bit my butt one time. She's not okay with you until she bites your butt.
I don't want her.
Ah! Don't jump on me.
Neither does Berta.
Huh?
She wants to play.
No! Yeah! She's jumping up at me.
My thing.
Let's go inside.
Angel, calm down. Nobody's like.
Hi to you too. This is the Nerda and Tara. Are you okay? I don't think they can see it. I can't see it.
I can see it.
I can see it too, but the camera cannot see it. Can you guys see it? Wait. The camera's not letting me look for you people who want to see it. I don't know where it is anymore. Okay, I'm scared. Let's just turn this off.
Okay.
You hear that? Hey, dummy! Hey, Boots! Hey, Boots! Come on, come on, come on, come on! Oh, God!